Hello, have you ever wondered what happens when you drink peppermint leaf tea every day? Today we will explore the incredible benefits of this miraculous plant for your health and also some possible downsides. Let's go. Mint is an herb that has been used for thousands of years. One of the oldest medical texts in the world, the Egyptian Ebers Papyrus, written in 1550 BC, already mentioned mint as a digestive herb effective against flatulence. Mint can help with your memory. Imagine having a sharper memory. Studies suggest that menthol, an active substance in mint, can improve memory and cognitive abilities. A 2023 study showed that rats exposed to menthol exhibited memory improvements. Mint can help women with hormonal imbalances, containing phytoestrogens, which mimic human hormones. Mint can balance estrogen and progesterone levels, alleviating PMS symptoms. Mint can improve your skin and hair, with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and astringent properties. Mint can reduce acne and enlarged pores, as well as decrease skin and hair oiliness, relieve scalp itching, and stimulate hair growth. Consume mint in moderation to enjoy its benefits. Avoid excess and consult a doctor if you have specific health problems or take many medications. Pregnant women, breastfeeding women, and young children should avoid excessive consumption. Did you enjoy the video? Like and share so more people can access this knowledge. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you very much and see you next time.